I just want to summarize this. If I look at the method SIM, I basically take the model, each model, and I go, look, the opening plus the purchase less the returns less the sales will give me the closing stock times the cost price, and in the end I add up each one. Is everybody with me? So with SIM, I will tell you, I've got Apple phones. We had 7 to start with. We bought 700. We returned 3. We sold 650. And I have no idea. I didn't keep the score, but let's say I've got 50 left. So I say 50 times the cost price of that phone. Then I go to my Samsung phones. I do the same procedure. I get the closing value of that. Then I go to my Vodafones. Do the same procedure, get the end. And in the end, I add the 3 of them for the closing stock value. Right? FIFO, I will literally first go and subtract all my returns from the units. So let's say I have an opening balance and I've got purchases. And the purchases I've got batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Let's say batch 1 was 70, 2 was 30, 3 was 50 units. And now I say to you, oh, from the third batch, so I'm going to work upwards. So I want to know what is my closing stock. So let's say my closing stock is 60. Now, say times 10, times 9, times 8. Unit price. Okay? Now what do? I go, look, if I say there was from batch 3, return 10. Then I know that 50 is not 50, it's only 40. So now I go look and I say, okay, so I need to give a rand value for 60 units. So for the 60 units, I start with the latest batch. I've got 40 in that batch at 10 rand. If I valued 40, it means I still need to value 20. So 20 will be valued at batch 2 price, which is 9. And then I just add it for my closing stock. You guys with me? For weighted average, I say, okay, let's get the rand over the units. Okay? So this would be opening, purchases, carriage, customs, returns. Units would only be opening, purchase, return, because that is just loading the price. Then I get an average price and I times it with the closing stock units. That's the summary of the 3 different methods. Is everybody sharp with that? Okay.